Hello, Deepak Rastagi. Deepak Rastagi. What is the name? Yeah, music touching to heart. Hello, hello, hello. Hello? Is your audio operating? Please switch on your audio.
Hello.
Please.
Hello.
Yeah. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, you are Chaitra.
Yes, sir. I'm Chaitra.
Yeah, the voice appears to be very low. Are you speaking
Hello.
very much away from the phone, or what is it?
No, sir. Hello. Now, sir.
Now it is good. Now it is good.
Okay.
Now,
Sir, I'm Chaitra from Bangalore, sir.
Chaitra from Bangalore. Yeah, please tell me about yourself.
Sir, I'm Chaitra from Bangalore. My brought up and born is Kolar, sir. And I have done BCom and MCom in Kolar. And I have 2 years experience in Axis Bank customer support under IBM company, sir.
2 years experience. You have 2 years
2 years.
experience.
Yes, sir. I have 2 years
Can
experience
you
in
tell me
Axis Bank.
which year you joined Axis Bank?
Sir, from 2015 to 2017, sir.
Month.
Month July 2015 to January 2017.
Oh, only 1.5 years.
1.5 year and 6 months in another company, sir.
Oh no,
That is a payroll job. That is payroll job.
So you are missing the chance to become a circle-based officer of State Bank of India by that 6 months.
Sir, that is I was not direct employee of Axis Bank, sir. That is off-roll job, sir. Off-roll means third
maybe
party dealer.
Maybe you are working for some franchise.
Under IBM company, sir.
Okay, no issue. Good. What was the nature of you introduce yourself in detail?
I have done BCom and MCom in Kolar, sir. And I have done typing and tally also. Coming to my family, my father is working in some petty shop. He is a businessman. We have a shop, sir. And my mother is housemaker. And I have elder sister and younger brother. She is married and he is working in MNC company, sir, as a mechanical engineer. And coming to my hobbies are listening music and cooking, sir. Cooking, browsing internet. Whenever I am getting free, I'm I'm watching home remedies for health, sir.
Very good. Why at this age worrying about health is not so good? You must maintain your health well.
In this situation, day by day increasing COVID-19, no, sir.
Because of Corona.
Because of Corona. In my area also, it is continental zone.
Oh.
Here one death also happened. Here one death also happened, sir. My neighbor.
Oh, near.
So that only
that is why you are worrying about it. Other than that, are you doing exercises? Are you taking part in outside games?
Sir, I'm taking some drinks and every day I'm taking steam. And I'm doing exercises also, sir.
Good. Very good. You believe in exercises and all that. Good.
Yes, sir. Physical activity is also very important to build the immunity.
Yeah. Chaitra.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of this name?
In Kannada, it is Masa, sir. Different season is there, no, sir. So Chaitra Masam is also one of the.
Like in Tamil, we have Chittirai.
Okay. In Kannada, Chaitra Masa is there, sir.
What is the month, the English month in which it comes? April?
Yes, sir.
Correct. In Tamil also, we have a month known as Chitrai, which starts on April 14, goes up to May 14. May 13.
Year also, sir.
Oh, very good. Chaitra.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the significance of this month, Chaitra?
This is
Except
rainy
that
season.
nothing, no significance except that it is hot, hot.
Uh,
Yeah, it is a
uh,
month. Chaitra month is, it is very hot month. From that
Very
one
hot.
time only the sun rays will be falling directly on us and the heat will be
Yes.
more. I mean, just a measure of
Okay, okay. Okay, sir.
Chaitra, Axis
Chaitra.
Bank. Axis Bank, what was the nature of work you were doing?
Sir, actually, I was handling customer services, sir, through mail. Every day I was getting mails, and sometimes we were handling calls also.
Yeah.
Handling customer service, sir.
Can you tell me what is the nature of mails you will be receiving?
Sir, customer has opened account, but still they are not getting any information about account opening. So they put mail to us. So we were handling that type of queries, and he is getting any internet banking, mobile banking issues, fixed deposit account, and fraudulent transactions. Every type of except credit card and loans, except all type of queries we were handling, sir.
Good, good, good. Now, how will you be able to manage all these things? Will you be having Axis Bank server access? Hello? Hello? Chaitra? Chaitra, are you
Hello.
there?
Yes, yes, sir, I'm there.
Acha, I was asking, how will you
Hmm.
be as a franchisee be able to answer all these things? Will you be having access of Axis Bank server or their accounts?
No, sir. What, sir? I didn't get you.
No, no. How will you be able to answer the queries of customers? Were
Hmm.
you having access to the
Yes, sir.
server of?
Yes, sir. We were having Axis Bank server, sir.
Oh, that is the
Uh,
reason that helped you.
they gave every access, sir.
Very good.
We need
That's
sometimes we were getting called to branch managers also, branch
excellent.
managers of Axis Bank.
Excellent. Good, good, good.
Hmm.
Were you communicating in
That is
English or in local language?
yes, sir.
Hello?
Hello.
Were you
Tell me, sir.
were you communicating in English or in local language?
English both, sir.
Both.
Both.
So mostly English and also
Mostly, maximum we preferred English. Sometimes in local candidates was there means sometimes I was handling Kannada also,
Kannada
Kannada
also.
customers.
Good, good,
Hmm.
good. Very good.
If they
Now,
need.
yeah. Now tell me, what is banking?
Sir, banking is a financial services providing services to the public, such as accepting deposit, lending loans, and it is doing various business like will get locker facility and bank assurance.
Mm,
It gives financial services to the public, sir.
mm. Good, good, good. And do you know what is CASA deposits?
Current account and saving account deposits, sir.
What is that?
Current account means it is opened by any business firms or employers, sir. Saving account is opened by any individual or salaried persons.
Good. For saving
So
purposes.
for saving purpose, here in saving account we are not getting OD facility, overdraft facility, but in current account we are getting overdraft facility also. So there is no sufficient balance in our account also, we can get credit from banks, sir.
Mm. Good, good, good. Yeah. Now tell me, banks are all very eager to have more of current account and savings account. What is the
Hmm.
reason for that?
Uh, in a saving account, bankers will get deposits, no, sir.
Yeah.
So it is useful for lending loans also,
Good.
and improving business,
No, no.
improving
As
business.
compared to fixed deposit, banks
Hmm.
are more eager in getting more of current account, savings account. Why?
Because in nowadays everyone students or every employee opened maximum accounts opened
I
in saving
think
account and current.
Chaitra, you are not getting the point. Banks are very keen on having more of CASA deposits because the cost of funds is less.
And we'll get affordable cost in.
No, very less. They pay.
Okay.
They don't pay interest on savings bank current account. They pay very
Hmm.
less rate of interest in savings bank as compared to fixed deposit.
Okay.
So the
Okay,
cost
sir.
of funds will be
Yes.
less. When the cost
Ah.
of funds is less, you are a BCom student, na?
Yes, sir.
When the cost
I
of
forgot
funds
that
is
point.
less, automatically the profit also will be more.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
Very good.
forgot that point, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
forgot. Very good. Can
I
you tell
got
me?
now. I got it.
Yeah, now you can you please tell me why
Hmm.
banks are more keen on having more of CASA deposits than term
Hmm.
deposits?
They are getting. They have. They will pay. Sorry, one
No,
minute, sir.
don't worry.
Bankers have.
Don't have tension. Relax, relax.
Okay.
Have a good breathe, long breathe.
In saving
Take a
account,
good
current
breathe
account.
and then relax and then tell me the points. Why CASA
Okay.
deposits are preferred?
Okay. In CASA deposits, bankers in this account, bankers pay only less interest to the customers.
Correct.
That is the reason, sir.
That alone, no, but you should add some more points also. When the cost of funds is less, the profitability increases.
The profitability also will increase
I told you.
in fixed.
Yeah, good, good,
In
very good. Have you heard of the term repo rate?
repo rate.
What is the present
Repo
repo rate?
present 4.75.
Huh?
I did not remember, sir.
Perhaps you have not read it. I think yesterday also I put now it is
4.
repo rate is 4%.
Okay, sir.
Repo rate is 4%.
4%.
Yeah,
Okay.
what is the reverse repo rate? That also you don't know. 3.35.
3.35. Okay,
What
sir.
is the present bank rate? Can you guess?
Bank rate is 4.1.
25.
Okay, 4.25.
Okay, what is the
Okay, sir.
present CRR?
9. 9.
No, Chaitra, you're not familiar with the present day happenings under the banking. These are all the normal terms which people have to become familiar. CRR means what?
See, cash reserve ratio, sir.
What is the
4%.
present ratio?
4%, sir.
3%.
Okay.
3%.
Before,
Because they have
before
it was 4%.
4%.
Now after this corona and all
Now it.
recently they have reduced.
Okay, sir.
What is the SLR now? 18%.
18.5.
18 only.
5%.
18 only. 0.5 and all
Okay.
chala gaya. It has been reduced.
I didn't.
So you are
Recently, I
not up
didn't.
to date. You must read latest
Uh,
newspapers and update your
Okay.
knowledge.
Okay, sir.
Correct.
Okay, sir. I will read.
Chaitra, what is your short-term goal?
My short-term goal is getting job in banking sector, sir.
Good. Yeah. Good. Right.
My
What is
long-term.
plastic money? What is plastic money?
Plastic money means like a debit card. We can withdraw money through plastic cards, sir, like debit card. So we
Debit card
can
and credit card.
credit card also. In
Good.
debit card, we can withdraw amount in anywhere ATM in anywhere in ATMs, sir, through
Good.
ATMs.
Very good.
Credit.
You were working
Credit
in
card.
Axis Bank. You were working in Axis Bank. Can you tell me what is is it advantageous to have credit card or debit card? Which one would you prefer and why?
Sir, actually that time I was not handling credit cards.
So you don't know. Credit cards,
Because
yeah,
debit
doesn't matter.
cards and the loans we were
Let
not
me tell you,
handling.
credit cards, debit card, the difference is in the case of credit card, you will be given a limit and you can draw money up to that limit. And every month a statement will come based on which you have to refund or repay the money. Whereas in the case of debit card, you can draw only if you have a balance in the SB
Ah,
account. In your account
account.
only, if you have a balance, you can operate it. Could you
Hmm.
follow?
Yes, sir.
And in the case of credit card, if you fail to repay the money by the last date given in the statement, you will be
Hmm.
charged interest at a higher
Interest.
rate.
Hmm.
Interest at a higher rate. Could you understand?
Hmm. Yes, sir. There is no sufficient balance in account also. We can get amount through credit card.
Hmm.
But in debit card, we have sufficient balance in our account.
Good, good. You can have a credit card even without your having account with the bank also.
Yes, sir. Without account also, we can get credit card.
Yeah. Are you aware of the frauds being committed nowadays over ATM and all that? Lot of
Yes, sir.
videos are coming. Have you heard about that?
Yes, sir. Fraud transactions
What
through
is that?
phishing,
Phishing.
through calls
Good.
also sometimes happen. Phishing
Correct.
through calls also sometimes happen. For browsing, internet banking also sometimes happens, sir.
Very good. Good, good, good.
So that time, what we will do means we have to immediately call to customer service and blocking the card. In case fraud happened in our account means immediately we have to call customer service for blocking the card.
Good. Very good, very good. You have heard about phishing and all. That is
Yes, sir.
really
Phishing.
good. Yeah. Now, can you tell me the name of a few union ministers from Karnataka?
Okay. Karnataka Health Minister
No, I am
is
not asking Karnataka Health Minister. Union ministers who are from Karnataka. I'm not sure whether there is any, but you must tell me. Have you come across some
okay,
people from Karnataka?
Union Minister of Karnataka, sir.
Union ministers, there is cabinet
Okay.
ministers who have come from Karnataka. I think
sir,
there is one person, some Sadananda Gowda, some.
Sadananda Gowda
Yeah,
is a statistical minister
I know
also.
one. There must be so many others also.
And Ravi Shankar, sir. Ravi Shankar.
Okay, Ravi Shankar Prasad.
Chemical and law.
So now the reason why I am asking such questions is that about our state, you must be thorough.
Yes.
About
And
your.
Nirmala Nice.
Yeah. Tell me.
Tell me. Nirmala Sitharaman constitution also Karnataka, sir. Constituency.
That Rajya Sabha. Maybe. I'm not sure. Good. I'm not sure. Very nice. So you must be thorough with your state at least, and your state ministers, governor, and all that.
Okay.
Sometimes
sir, definitely.
they ask in the interview, can you tell me the names of women governors now?
Okay.
You may not remember. There are
No,
some
sir.
3-4 women governors. You may not remember. Can you mention the name of one women chief minister?
Governor Anandiben, Madhya Pradesh governor.
Okay, very good. Then
Mamata Banerjee.
correct. That is a chief minister, Mamata Banerjee.
Chief minister
for women, this is a problem. You know, they do ask questions. Women chief ministers, women governors, like that, and women. Can you name a woman chief executive of a bank? CEO of a bank, woman.
When I was working in Axis Bank customer service, that time Shikha Sharma was the CEO of Axis Bank, sir.
Correct. Now,
and Chanda Kochar, former, now present.
You know Indian Bank chairman name? Padmaja Chandru.
Okay, I don't remember that, sir.
Yeah, Padmaja Chandru.
Padmaja Chandru.
Very good. Chaitra. We have talked for about 25 minutes. Are you aware we have talked for 25 minutes?
No, sir, I didn't.
No, the time has gone very quickly.
I'm not observing.
Yeah, good. Okay. Now, do you have any questions, any doubts?
No, sir.
No doubt. No, only thing is you have to read a lot. I have not gone into commerce. I have not gone into commerce at deep length. And I have not gone into banking in a deeper level also. Maybe next time when we talk, we can talk about that. So, but one thing is, for the fact that you are talking to me for the first time, you are able to communicate well. That is because you have worked for 1.5 years already.
Yes, sir.
You have rich experience of talking to people, communicating to others, and all that. That is the advantage for you. Okay.
Yes, sir. This is
Now,
advantageous for me.
why should we select you?
Sir, actually, my education and my experience is related to this field, which is beneficial for this bank and as well as myself. And already I handled customers. I know how to handle the customers also. This is beneficial for this banking sector and the PO post also, sir. And I have a capability to, I'm dedicated person in any situation, professional or personally, sir.
Why did you resign from the previous job?
Sir, actually, in my previous job, that is off-role job, sir, under IBM company. Once Axis Bank returned their project, means company move us to another project, sir. Compulsory, we have to accept that another project. That time I was thinking to continue my career in banking sector because already I have a knowledge in banking sector. So that time I was thinking to continue my career in banking sector. So that only I left the job, sir.
Have you heard of the term self-help group?
Self-help group.
What are they?
Help groups for a women entrepreneurs. It uh, it provides the loans to women entrepreneurs, artisans.
No, actually, it is not a women entrepreneur. Actually, self-help group is a concept where 15 or 20 women join together. They form a group. They save money, open bank account. Actually, these are not entrepreneurs. They are all, say, family women, also doing some other business every day, like mombatti making, agarbatti making, mat making, poultry,
yes.
like that.
It is a community. It is like a community, no, sir?
Within the area. They will all be more or they will all be in the same village, mostly in the same village, and they will all be interconnected by virtue of their contact among themselves. Okay, good.
We'll get a training from there for doing some women entrepreneurs workshop, no, sir?
Of course, they will get some the training when government provides that. Sometimes
How to
governments
make,
encourage them. Governments encourage
how to
them
make
by
a candle.
selling their goods, by
Yes, sir.
arranging for marketing for selling of their goods.
They
Okay.
will teach how to make candles and
Yeah.
stitches,
Yeah,
cloth
yeah.
stitching.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Good, very nice. Any other questions you have in your mind?
No, sir.
Have you attended any other interviews apart from that IBM?
Sir, last year I attended Cooperative Bank Mangaluru interview, sir.
Acha. What were the questions they asked you?
They asked about negotiable instrument.
Acha.
They were negotiable instrument checks and simple questions only asked, sir. What is banking? What is shares? And negotiable instrument, debit cards, and inflation deflation. So similar questions only asked me, sir.
Did you answer them properly?
Sir, I answered questions. Only I left two questions, sir. So except two questions, I answered all questions.
Yeah, 1 minute. Here, there is 1 minute, hold on. Deepak Rastagi. Deepak Rastagi. Yeah, good. You have answered very well. What is a negotiable instrument?
Negotiable instrument is an instrument drawn by the bank. It is ordered to pay some of amount to the another person, sir.
Okay, wrong statement. It is not a check instrument issued by the bank.
It is issued by the bank and
issued on the bank.
Pay.
Issued on the bank.
Okay,
check
sir.
is an instrument drawn on the bank. Okay, doesn't matter. We are not fully prepared now. Get ready. You must be managing such simple questions also. Nice. You have done very well. And maybe my expectation will be more because you are a senior person.
Okay, sir. Definitely.
You are a senior. So we expect more from you. You must be able to communicate with confidence, with clarity,
Okay, sir. Okay,
precisely.
sir.
Come on.
Okay, sir.
What is the movie you saw last?
Actually, I don't like to watch any cinema, sir.
Tell me the movie you went to the
Uh,
theater and watched.
Theater, all 6 months, 6 years past. I went, sir.
6 years past.
Yes, sir.
That's
I
too
don't
bad.
want to like watch movies, sir.
Oh, that
In
means
home
you don't have
also, I
any.
don't watch.
You don't have any favorite hero.
No, sir.
Very
Really, I
bad.
don't.
It's very
I
bad.
don't like.
You must have a favorite hero, favorite heroine, favorite
No, sir.
music director, and all. I think in your case, that Rajkumar's son is very famous, na Karnataka.
Very famous,
Yeah,
but
you are not watching.
now also, I don't like to watch any cinema, sir.
That's then tell
Yeah.
me Ramayana in 5 lines.
What, sir? Ramayana?
Tell me Ramayana in 5 sentences.
Ramayana, it is Rama is a god of our Hindus god. Uh, and here, 1 minute. I cannot able to
Immediately, you
explain.
are not able to tell. Even I won't be able
Uh,
to tell, but I just asked. Ramayana means you can start with Dashratha, sons,
mm.
Rama marrying
Rama
Sita,
married to Sita,
Sita going to
and,
forest. Sorry, they're going to forest. Then Ravana,
and
right?
Rama is avatar for
Then unite. Yeah,
avatar
son.
of
Yeah.
Vishnu,
Hmm.
and Sita is avatar of
No, but if we want to
Vishnu.
tell about all these things, we cannot cover the story also. That is, of course, that can
Okay.
be the last sentence. Okay.
Hello.
No, that
Okay,
can
sir.
be the last sentence. No, I just
Hmm.
asked you all these questions because in order to
Hmm.
test our ability to communicate briefly,
Okay, sir.
start developing that skill, you must be able to do it well. Best wishes, you have done.
Okay, sir.
You have done well
Okay,
only, but
okay, sir.
yeah, try to participate.
Okay, definitely.
How old are you? 25.
Uh, 27, sir.
Oh, Baba. Oh. Why don't you attend? Are you attending some online classes regularly? Online
Uh,
tests regularly?
Sir, I am attending online exams, sir.
Very good. Take care. Take care. Best wishes.
Sir, I would like to say one thing. Uh, Thank you for giving
Yeah.
this
Hello.
opportunity, sir.
Yeah.
This is
Thank
very
you.
useful
Thank you.
for
No.
cracking
You. Yeah.
interviews and exams, sir.
Yeah. You
Uh,
answered nicely. Thank you. Best wishes.
Thank you so much, sir.
Whenever time permits in the evenings, 5 to 6, if time permits, or 11 to 12, you can join the group where we are discussing,
Okay.
and
Oh,
you have your own people also. Karnataka people are there,
okay,
Bihar
sir.
girls are
Definitely, I will join. I
uh,
will join, sir.
yeah,
Tomorrow onwards, I will join, sir.
it will help you improve your
Hmm.
say thinking widely.
Okay, sir.
Best wishes.
Thank you,
Next
sir.
time you feel, after the interview dates are announced, and when you feel like having a
Hmm.
um, an interview again, you can tell so that we can talk for another 15-20 minutes. Your real
Okay, sir.
interview will be just 10 minutes only. Here, because I
Okay.
have time, I'm talking to you for a longer time. Best wishes.
Okay, sir.
You are done well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for your feedback also, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, thank
So
you so much.
I'm closing with this. Thank you.